Castleisland. Anne came from Nixon, which was a good journey from where I came from in Castleisland. So we would have met up the country maybe first at Flas, and then there was a local band here in Castleisland, Michael O'Callaghan, led by Michael O'Callaghan, the Desmond Kelly band, and we played for dances around Kerry, and Anne was drafted into the band. And also the Brusna Kelly band, and again we played for Kellys around the country in the mid-60s up to the 70s, 80s. The 11th of October 1969 was...
See the way he can remember everything. We went to the pictures.
Omar Sharif was the actor anyway. I forgot the name of that film, famous film.
Dr. Zhivago.
Dr. Zhivago, that was it. That was the film. We got together since. My first class show was in Thurles in 1965, and in 1974 the first Scollégea came on, and I was the fiddle teacher in the first Scollégea. I think now we've about 20 fiddle teachers.
My first time teaching Scollégea did was 75.
That's right.
In Buncrana. So we're kind of on and off teaching Scollégea since.
We were involved with a group in Tralee called Shrimp Satira, and Anne was one of the founder members in 1968. And it was a folk theatre, and that show went all over the world actually. And Coltis as well, of course. We toured with Coltis as well.
Oh, the war is the biggest surprise of our lives.
Yes, indeed.
Absolutely.
Yes, indeed.
Never expected that at all. I suppose it has been our life, really.
Yes.
Our, we'll say, our living as well as our pastime, which is great, like.
Which is unusual.
To be able to make a living out of what you love to do.